All right, let's look at the homework 7.8, 7.9, problem number 4. All right, so let's evaluate this double integral. All right, so first we're going to try to take care of this inside integral first. All right, so let's do that. All right, so this is going to be equal to, all right, so leave the outside integral as it is. So integral from 0 to 2. All right, then you have a dy. All right, so antiderivative. All right, antiderivative of 5 with respect to x is 5x. All right, antiderivative of 2x squared with respect to x would be right, 2 is there. Then add 1 to the power, so x cubed, divide by 3. So it's a 2/3 x cubed, right? And 2y squared is just a constant, so it's going to be just 2y squared x. All right, so this is going to go from y to 2y. All right. So we plug in. All right, so remember we plug in for x, right? So we leave this outside integral for now, all right? So plug in 2y, so 5 times 2y is 10y. All right, then you have, so 2y cubed would be 8y cubed. So 8 times 2/3 would be 16 over 3 y cubed. All right, then plugging y here, so it's 2y squared times 2y would be 4y cubed. All right, minus. All right, plugging y, so it's 5y. All right, and plugging y here, so it's 2/3 y cubed. All right, plugging y there, plus 2y cubed. All right, so we need to simplify this a bit. So with respect to y here. All right, so let's clean it up a little bit. So we have 0 to 2. All right, so I'm going to combine. You have 10y minus 5y. So we'll have 5y. All right, then you have all right, 16 over 3y cubed and minus 2/3 y cubed. So that will be 14 over 3. So plus 14 over 3 y cubed. All right, then you have 4y cubed minus 2y cubed. So that's 2y cubed left. Actually, I'm going to combine 2y cubed added to that. So it's 14 over 3. 2y cubed is same thing as 6 over 3y cubed. So 14 plus 6 will be 20. All right, so you have a 5y plus 20 over 3y cubed dy. All right, then we can just find the antiderivative. All right, so 5 is there. All right, add 1 to the power, so y squared, and then you have to divide by 2. All right, so antiderivative of that would be you have a 20. All right, and add 1 to the power, so that would be 4. And divide by 4, but the 3 was already there, so it's 12. All right, then you have to go from 0 to 2. All right, and clean up again. Divide by 4, so that's 3. Divide by 4, that would be 5. right? Then we can just plug in 2, right? Right, plug in 2 here, so that'll be 4. Then 2 cancel out, so 2 times 5 is 10. Plus, right, plug in 2 here, so 2 to the 4th is 4 times 4, 16. So 16 times 5 is 80, so it's 80 over 3. Right, and then minus, plug in 0, 0, so it's minus 0, so I'm not going to write that. So this is equal to, right, 10 is 30 over 3, so it's 110 over 3, right? So this is the value of the given double integral, right? Let's check. All right, so the value we got was 110 over 3, right? So let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.